focuses on reaching out to middle school and high school students. Abbott Middle School and United Way have a strong partnership through the Young Ladies of Distinction group and the Young Men of Vision group, which are both 8th grade groups.
Young Ladies of Distinction is a group of about 20 girls who are exemplar students who are really want to work on giving back to the community, learning more about themselves as people, learning more about career choices that they might want to have, and also, you know, learning about how to be professional in the workplace, those types of things. So that's what we really want to work on, empowering young girls to be powerful women in the future.
The girls were exposed to a wide range of careers, a lot of information. It's wonderful hearing some of them say, you know what, I think I want to be an officer, or, you know, maybe a lawyer. Maybe I do want to stay here locally and come back and work in my own community. So it was fantastic. Everyone genuinely told the girls, listen, once you're done with college or once you're done with high school, come work here. We need more ladies, we need more people from the community to come and work here locally. So, and them even offering, you know, we have internship opportunities here as well. So I know a lot of them are very excited that that was a possibility that was given. So I think that was by far my favorite piece of the entire day.
I don't think I have a favorite part because I just liked all of them and going to every single one of them and what they told us, and they were like, oh, this and that. An experience not everybody gets, and that's why I'm so thankful for that experience. And I would like to do one of these careers, and hopefully I can.